Yo, D-Gens, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Nice little evening. JASMY looking good. Onyx coin looking good. Here's me face. Let's get into it. Let's have a look around. So, like I've been saying all day, guys, JASMY. Told you so. Right? I told you so. All right, so XCN's looking okay too here, guys. Consolidation inside this bull pennant, very, very good. Now, I showed this earlier in a video, but a lot of people are pointing out this potential head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hour. Boom, 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 right? Potential. We could see it pull back. Listen, guys, if this pulls back to, it would pull back down to about right here, around the a little bit lower, maybe around 1.7, right? Around this range anyway. So if we see that correction, it's not guaranteed, but if it happened, what are you going to do? I'm personally going to buy more, right? That's my goal. I'll just buy more. Doesn't bother me, right? That kind of, we haven't had any kind of a correction like that. So that wouldn't be bad at all if this head and shoulders played out. But as of right now, it's not really translating to the daily time frame. So it's nothing to stress about, guys, but like me personally, I'm going to keep some extra dry powder on the side just in case it does pull back down to around that level, because then, yeah, right around here, I'll scoop it up. I'll scoop up some more. Damn rights I will, right? All right, let's get into the chat a little bit. Doc Call, what's up, man? Welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome aboard. We got cookies, man. We got cookies, brother. Holmes, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you, my man. Good to see you. Guys, as always, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, guys, and it doesn't cost you anything. And on top of all of that, one of the best perks that you get is that I'll love you forever. And who doesn't want to be loved forever? Come on, guys, right? Come on. Let's be real. Let's be real. So, yeah, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, guys. What do we got? Yo, what's up, man? Merzette, what's happening, my friend? Funky, what's up, buddy? Let's grow JASMY. I want to feed my XCN. I feel he's got a growth spurt coming. Yeah, it might be a good opportunity to DCA going into the next, I don't know, week with XCN. Look at JASMY, guys. We're officially outside of this bull flag. We've retested the top of the trend line. So hopefully, guys, we have the 30-day SMA that's just a hair underneath where we are right now. So the 30-day SMA is sitting at 3 cents 102. We definitely want to stay above that level, okay? And I'm going to show you why. Okay, I'm going to show you why. Check this out. If I zoom in and we go back in time, let's go back in time a little bit. Remember this? Remember this area here? Yeah, you remember. Look at the, damn it. Look at the, where is it? Okay, so look at the 30-day SMA. This brown golden line here, okay? Look what happened right here. We fell below it, and then boom, reject. We had a massive rejection off it right here. I know it doesn't look big, but it was actually it's about a 12.49% correction rejecting off it there. Then we rejected off it again. It acted stubborn, guys. It just continued another 11.26% rejection. We touched it again right here. We rejected over the course of a couple of days, 21%. We touched it again here. Rejected down another 16.5%. So it has acted as a significant pain in our asses in the past. We want to stay above the 30-day SMA. And then it started acting as support, right? And here we go way up here. Now let's kind of do this. And we're above it again. Finally, we're above it. So we're sitting on it right now for support. We don't want to fall back below it. We do not need the 30-day SMA acting as a pain in our butts again, okay? So yeah, I hate the 30-day SMA right now because of I have recency bias against the 30-day SMA, okay? I am willing to discriminate against the 30-day SMA at this point. So yes. So as long as we stay above that, guys, we're looking good for continuation to the upside. Let's get this retirement going. Julio in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you, brother. RC Car Addict. What's going on, man? D-Worm. Hope it pulls back again. Yeah, everyone. I know, man. I know. Stack like a cordwood. It's my favorite YouTuber. What's up, man? Matt, my favorite YouTuber. I appreciate that, brother. That means a lot, man. That means a lot, brother. Lord of the Realm, what's going on, brother? Good evening to all. What's going on, man? Henry, hello from Cambodia. Wow, Cambodia in the house. What's going on, man? Hello from Canada. That's where I am. Up in the Arctic North. Freezing my butt off. It wasn't too bad today, guys. I actually walked to the gym today. I needed the exercise, so I actually walked there today in the cold. Regretted it about halfway through my walk, but Alex, what's going on, man? In my best cheesy vampire voice, good evening, bro family. Moto, what's up, man? Let's do this. I'd like to see Flare take off. Yes. I don't hold any Flare. I don't know why. I've been meaning to hold Flare for a long time, and I don't. And I should have. But Flare's, Flare's not too bad of a price right now, right? What's Flare at? Flare's actually up 9.6% on the day. But it's still a good entry point on Flare. I mean, it hasn't really had a significant move all year. Highest, it's up 17% on the year. So, Shane, come on, Swift lifters, lifers, let's go. Just got some more Swift today. Nice. Yeah, I did some shopping today too when I got home from the gym. I put out my buy alerts over on the Patreon, so you guys probably got those. Saw what I scooped up today. I might do some more scooping up tonight. We'll see. We'll see what I feel like. We'll see. I might feel crazy. I might feel a little crazy, right? 3-year DCA'er of JASMY. It's getting exciting. Thanks for all you do, Mr. Rob. Hey, have you checked out RAI? I have not checked out RAI. What in the absolute HE double hockey sticks is that? RAI. Talking about Reploy? $4. It's up 19% on the day. It's got fantastic tokenomics. Super fantastic. It's an AI play made in the USA. Wow. Only problem with it is that it only has a couple of tiny centralized exchange listings, right? LBank and MEXC. You got to get like a KuCoin listing in there or something, or a Coin Market Cap, or sorry, Coin Market Cap, Coinbase. I mean, you could probably get this on Coinbase Wallet though, right? It's on Uniswap, so you should be able to get it on Coinbase Wallet. Seems like a pretty good play, man. Seems like a pretty good play. When moon indeed, man. When moon indeed. Green tea, what's up, man? Ready for the big green candles? Had enough of the big red ones. Yeah. Yes, absolutely, man. Kevin, what's up, buddy? Love the Ricky picture, man. A toe-to-so, a freaking toe-to-so, brother. You know what I'm saying. Kush Bush, what's up, man? Elizabeth, how you doing, dear? Good to see you. Good to see you. First time joining the stream. Nice. Well, welcome to the family, man. Welcome aboard. Awesome that you're here, man. We got cookies. Check them out. Yeah. So welcome all the new people, guys. We've had a massive influx of new subscribers and a whole crap load of new Patreon members, guys. We've shot up to over 1,200 people over on the Patreon, guys. So welcome to all the new Patreon members as well. We will be doing a live stream over on the Patreon after this is over, just so that you know. So make sure you're there for that as well. Austin, how you doing, brother? Physically fit, no gems in the chat, please. Yes, exactly. Any gems that we drop over on the Patreon, guys, keep that talk on the Patreon. Don't talk about them here, please, okay? Rob, the channel's blowing up. Congrats, brother. You deserve it. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, Matt. 100% deserved. Still underrated. Nice. I appreciate it, guys. That means a lot. You guys have been with me for so long, man. For so long. The struggle is real, right, guys? The struggle is real. Paul, what's up, buddy? Thanks for your update. Hey, no problem, brother. Just subbed. Looking forward to learning and getting rich together. Let's go, man. You want to get rich together? Like, get your butt over to the Patreon, brother. That's where it's at, man. That's where it's at. Beebs, what's happening, man? Future and current crypto millionaires. I love how you edited that, brother. I love it. Lion's Den became a Patreon member today. You and Cesar are the most legit I found. Thank you so much. On behalf of me and Cesar, he is definitely legit. We are both too legit to quit. I want to be loved forever. There you go, Aaron. There you go. Subscribe. I already do. You subscribe, so I love you forever, brother. Jason just became a massive fan over 2 days. We'll be joining the Patreon. Nice, Jason. Nice. We would absolutely love to see you over there, brother. We'd love to see you. Like I said, we do lives over there every single day as well, man. Dropping alpha, dropping gems, dropping the heat, dropping that fire. Rob, how do I DM about one-on-one of the Patreon? It's fairly simple. There's 3 dots at the top right end of the screen, and you can just click on that and find me, and you can DM me. It's fairly simple. And if you're having trouble, there's, like I said, we have like 1,200 people over there, and a lot of people are very, very helpful as well. If you ask in the chat as well, if I'm not over there, somebody will give you a tip. They'll give you screenshots on how to do it. Everyone is phenomenal over there. We passed 10K. So Rob, what's got to wear a wife beater t-shirt? Wife beater t-shirt. I only wear those to the gym, brother. Looks like Swift is trying to do. Is Swift trying to do something? Let's pull Swift's chart up. Let's look at Swift. I love looking at Swift's chart, man. One of my top bags, guys. People keep asking me, "Hey, Rob, are you still bullish on Swift?" Dude, it's like one of my biggest bags, bro. Right? I hope so, because I'm in it elbow deep, right? So yeah. All right, let's pull up that Swift chart. What do we got? Oh yeah, look at that. Trying to make a little bit of a move here. Trying to make a move. What are we at? 2 cents, 343. Very nice. Let's see if we can break out while we're live. Ethan, you do chess today, brother? Because your pecs be looking. Yes, I actually did do chess today. And it's funny. Funny little side story about that, Ethan. I was doing chess, and I was wearing a big hoodie, so you know you can't really see what I look like. I'm wearing a big hoodie, and there's this little dude on the bench beside me. And I was doing negatives. If you don't know what negatives are, you come down extremely slow. So I'm doing negatives on with the same weight as him. And he just keeps giving me looks like he's stronger than me. And I took that personally. So I threw about 315 pounds on there and banged out a couple of sets in front of him. And he shut up pretty quick. Can you give me your feedback on Parcel? Altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat, my friend. 2,000%. Okay. Let's go Swift. Let's go, man. Beebs, screw the 30-day SMA. Screw that 30-day SMA. Swift is starting to move. Yes, it is. It's creeping while you're sleeping. Thanks, buddy. Hope you're doing well tonight. I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm doing pretty good. I got some energy. Reality Sounds, what part of Canada? I live in Virginia and are from Edmonton. Toronto. Miria keeps dumping. Just keeps dumping. Is Miria dumping right now? Let's pull up the Miria chart as well. Why not? Why not? I mean, dumping is kind of a strong word, right? I don't think it's dumping. But even if you feel it's dumping, I mean, we had this double bottom and we went up and we tested this trend line. We temporarily broke above it, but we rejected back down, right? So it is a fantastic opportunity to dollar cost average. If you love Miria, it would be a great time to scoop some. Great time to scoop some up. 2 cents, 6, 7. Which one are you talking about here? You're talking about I don't know which project you're talking about. 2 cents, 6, 7. Chris, 2 years plus of DCAing. It's time to see this market take off. Let's get it. Yes, we're so close, man. We are so close. It's not even funny. Justin, Rob, how pumped are you about the momentum your channel is having? Absolutely exploding on here, and the Patreon. Congrats, brother. Overnight success. Thanks, Justin. Yes, it's definitely, it's a lot of work, and I really, really love it, man. Absolutely. I wish it was overnight success, though. We've been chipping away at this channel for over 2 years. We were doing JASMY live streams when nobody, there was 3 people in the chat sometimes, stuff like that, because nobody wanted to hear about JASMY at the time. But yes, I appreciate that, man. I do, and it has been a long road, man. And it's nice that it's blowing up. And again, I wanted to welcome all the new subscribers, all of the new Patreon members. Patreon, like you said, man, it's going nuts. There's over 1,200 people there now. Very, very helpful community. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And you know what the most rewarding thing about it is? I've had over 20 people over on the Patreon announce over the last 2.5 weeks that they officially have gained 7-digit portfolios, 7-figure portfolios, because they're on the Patreon, right? That is one of the most rewarding things, man. Tariffs on Canada. See any effects today? Yeah, the dollar dumped, apparently. The dollar dumped. Greetings. Might pull the trigger later tonight on some JASMY. Waiting to see on adding more XCN. Yeah, XCN would be a better dollar cost average opportunity right now than JASMY. With JASMY's breaking out. Swift and AMP. What do you think? Bullish on Swift, neutral on AMP. Sup, Rob? New Patreon. What price do you see SpareX this bull run? I haven't looked at that in a while. Somebody asked me about it, I feel like a couple of weeks ago. RAX. SpareX, yes. It's been a minute since I looked at this. 1 cent 8. It's up 9%. $36 million market cap. Tokenomics are not bad. Didn't I look at this yesterday? I feel like I looked at this yesterday. All-time high was 23 cents. Yeah, it's got the listings. This should do pretty well. Let's look at the live chart. Live chart says just kind of you're just kind of stuck in a range here on the live chart. On the daily time frame, you're just kind of stuck in this area right here, right? Which is a good thing. That's bullish, right? You will eventually have your breakout here. A lot of accumulation happening right now. A lot of accumulation. I like the project. I like the narrative. I like the tokenomics. I like the market cap. It should do well. Hello, brother from New Zealand. New Zealand in the house. What's up, Chris? Good to see you, man. Volks, afternoon, man. What's going on, brother? Thought in DGen or BenQ on Coinbase. Altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat, my friend. Guys, if you have an altcoin request and you're not a member of the Patreon or the YouTube channel, there's a little tab at the top that says goals, and that is where you put your requests for altcoins. And I will do TA on your altcoin requests. What does the hunting gem group entail? It entails hunting gems. What up, everybody? Crypto booming in the house. 1K recommendation investment. So many to pick. I know, right? I know. Don't you hate when that happens? That's like when you that's like when you sit down to like make a new playlist on Spotify or something. You're like, I'm gonna make a new playlist, and then you sit down and you just can't think of any songs. That's what it's like, right? That's exactly what it's like. Oh man. Justin says, everyone like and subscribe. Yes, make sure you do, guys. Help the channel grow, guys. It'd be absolutely phenomenal. What's up, Rob? New to the Patreon. Where do you see? I just looked at that. Hopefully, it's still on your screen. It's still on your screen right now. As far as where I see it going, it's a fairly new project. So, I mean, there's not a whole lot of history here to know where it could possibly go. But you are ranging in a bullish structure here. You will eventually break to the upside, but right now you're in accumulation. So if you like this project and you're looking to you're hoping to accumulate more, this is probably a good window to do it, in my opinion. RC Car says, hit the like button. Yes, absolutely, man. DGen's on Coinbase. Yes, it is. CA Allen, what's up, brother? Leo, what's happening, man? What's happening? Beebs, Rob, I was watching All In Crypto's latest video, and he's still super bullish on JASMY with a 71% price target. Hi, boss, I quit. Yes, 71 cents. That's nice. Hi, boss, I quit. It seems like this is going to be the best alt season yet. Yes, I agree, man. I agree. It's going to be exciting. Bobby, can you smell what the Rob is cooking? Love you, brother. Keep running that crystal ball. I got you, brother. I got you. Theater. Too legit to quit. Damn, I'm old. You and me both, man. Ty, what's happening, my friend? Good to see you, man. What do we got? James, hey, Rob, I will have 1,000 next week. What should I do with it? Maybe on one of the new cryptos on the Patreon or XCN. I mean, listen, honestly, like I said, it's possible we could see XCN pulled back down to like 1.7 cents. So I would keep an eye out for that. And if it does, I mean, there's an opportunity to pounce right there, right? JASMY's going to pump tonight. It's pump. Yeah, it's doing pretty good all day today, man. It's doing pretty good. What do we got? I'll pull the JASMY chart back up. Matt, join the pack. Don't be a lone wolf. Yes, join the pack. Absolutely, man. What's going on, Danny? Good to see you, brother. John, how do I join the Patreon? John, the link to the Patreon is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments, and it's in the description. You can't miss it. Just click on that link, and it will lead you right over there. We will be live over on the Patreon as soon as we're done here. So make sure you guys get over there before we go live. You don't want to miss it, guys. We do a lot of big, important things over there. We look at gems, and we do a lot of educating over there, guys. Especially if you're newer to crypto and you need answers, you need help, whether it's wallets, exchanges, how to find projects, whatever it is, guys, you get the help that you need. We have over 1,200 members over there, and most are very knowledgeable and experienced on top of just me. And you can schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs as well. So yeah, very, 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 very bullish, guys, right? A lot of help over there. A lot of help. What else do we have? Economic Ninja, aka the biggest hater, talking about JASMY crashing because of Trump. Is it? I saw he did a video today. Was he talking about JASMY crashing? I thought he was talking about JASMY pumping or something. I didn't watch his video because, if I'm being completely honest, I've started to notice a pattern with him. I never really saw his stuff before XCN creeped up, but I've noticed a pattern with him that he only makes videos and talks about projects that are currently pumping that day. So that tells me he doesn't actually have any conviction in any of these projects. He's just talking about whatever is trending to get clicks, right? And for me, I mean, it works for him. That's fine. That's cool. So I'm not knocking the guy. He's got a big channel. He knows what he's doing. But for me, that says that you don't have any conviction in your projects that you're talking about, because you're just talking about whatever's popping all the time, right? He was talking about XCN because it was pumping, and then he started talking about ACH because it was pumping. JASMY breaks out today. He starts talking about JASMY. You see him? You notice a pattern here, right? That tells me you don't know that much about the project. You can't know that much about the project because you're just hopping from project to project to project to project to project. Whatever's trending is what you're talking about, right? So, yeah. Link is in the description. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I did chest and side delts today. Chest and side delts. Wow. That must have been a hell of a workout, man. I have to do, when I do delts, I do front, rear, and back delts all in the same day. So by the time I'm done, I don't have any energy left to do chest with it or anything like that. I got to do chest, back, delts, arms, and legs five separate days, man, because it's beast mode. It's beast mode workouts, brother. Tomatoes, can't sleep. Loving the stream still. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, man. We're in no sleep zone anyway, right? Shouldn't be sleeping right now anyway. I set my buy orders for Spell at 201599. Do you think it's going to drop to that level or lower or pump? Mike, let me see. Let me see, man. I'll tell you what I think. Oh, you know what? Spell's not even on KuCoin. I can't even pull that up. Let me look at it over on CoinGecko. So you want to know if I think it's going to pull back down to 2015? I don't know, man. It's putting in higher lows and higher highs right now. It's pretty bullish structure. Probably, I mean, possible, but probably not, man. Magic Power, what's going on, brother? I'm from Toronto too. Let's go. Go Leafs, go, brother. Pew pew, what's happening, man? Dear Rob, I formally apologize for being a negative Nancy lately. Today has me on cloud nine. Sincerely, JASMY Bull. Hey, no apologies necessary in this community, brother. It's nothing but love, nothing but community. We all have bad days. We all have bad times. We all get frustrated. But I will tell you that you do owe me 50 push-ups. So take that. Mike says, smash that like button, y'all. Top 5, what's going on? What's going on with Toshi? Not a meme coin fan, but it's cheap. Yeah, market cap's pretty low on Toshi still. It might not be a bad DCA opportunity on Toshi, that's for sure. XPR, let's go. Swift running again. Facts, there you go, man. Overnight success. Yeah, facts. You've been with me since the start, brother. You know the struggle, my friend. You know the struggle. Hey, made it what I miss. What's up, Heinz? Good to see you, buddy. Buddy wasn't in the mud for 4 years, deep trying to crawl out. I threw a wink in there. Yeah, no, Fax is just joking around with you. He's just joking around with you. Swift coin has gone up 9.33% in the last hour. Has it? Is it up that much on the hour? 17.3% on the hour right now, guys. Look at Swift, man. Swift is moving with authority right now. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's still going. Let's look at this, guys. Look at Swift. Making a move. Creeping while you're sleeping. It's a crypto future live stream pump effect. Elizabeth, how you doing, dear? I found Rob when I was looking for more information on JASMY. Found his live videos and kept him as my YouTuber for crypto. The best. Yes, Elizabeth, you also have been with me for a very long time. Most of the 2.5 years that I've been here, you have been here with me. Absolutely. I remember the early days. We were doing one-on-one coaching AMAs together. I was helping you out there. Yes. I recall, Elizabeth. I recall. Come on, it's got to be the close to 20K that you're bringing in. Just kidding, Rob. Well deserved. Look at Swift breaking out, man. Can we get above? We have a little bit of a resistance here. Can we get above it right now? I can't wait for the next bear market. I'll be here. Yes, absolutely. You better be here. You better be here, Elizabeth. Chuck bought JASMY yesterday. Nice, good timing, brother. Good timing. Somebody actually asked me in the live stream over on the Patreon last night. I can't remember who, but they said, "Hey Rob, I've got like I don't know, like $1,500 or something like that. And what should I put it into? What's going to break out soon, right?" And no word of a lie, I said, "You know what, man? JASMY." And sure enough, the next day, JASMY breaks out. What are we up right now on JASMY on the day? We're up 30% on the day right now. Fabulous. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, I just said fabulous. I apologize. I went back to serving tables for extra cash so I can have some dry powder. Hey, that's what we got to do, right? That's what we do. We got to sacrifice in the near term so that we can DCA. So that we can DCA and make our way, to bigger bags, right? In the long term. I've had a lot of people complain over the years to me and say like, "Well, I have no dry powder," and blah. Man, like you got to find side hustles, man. You got to find, summertime, cut grass, man. Wintertime, plow driveways, whatever it is you got to do to get dry powder to dollar cost average, right? In the short term, if you have an hour a day that you're sitting around and you're watching Netflix or something like that, you know what? You got time to find a side hustle, man, and you could get that extra dry powder. It's the sacrifice now is worth it for the big picture, right? You want to retire, you want to get life-changing wealth, you want to sit on a beach somewhere, you got to work hard now, right? You don't need breaks now. Take breaks later. Elevate, love the energy and appreciate your kindness. You make everything much easier to understand. Thanks, brother. Got yourself another member of the Patreon. Nice. Welcome aboard, my friend. Welcome. It'll be awesome to chat with you over there, man, for sure. That'll be amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hey Rob, how do you find small projects to invest in? Ask me over on the Patreon and I will help you do your research. Swift breaking out? Yes, it is. It's trying to right now. Beast mode. Figured I'd bite the bullet and get onto the Patreon. I'm getting a message that says you can't join this creator's membership. Once I tried to pay. Have you had others? No, that's the first time I've ever heard that. That's weird. Try unplugging it and plugging it back in. No, I've literally never heard that before, man. Something obviously is going funky with that because like a bunch of people joined, so I know it's working right now. Hoover, good evening, Rob. Reading, there's a large amount of options expiring tomorrow. BTC might tumble to 98K. Yeah, I mean, it's possible. It's possible. But the last time I looked over, for example, at the liquidation levels, let's go look at the liquidation levels. Oh, a lot of people starting to short. They were pretty much even yesterday in minimal, but they're picking up again. Got $500 million in longs that'll get liquidated if we drop to $102,000. And pretty close to half a billion in shorts if we go up to $107,000. So we're starting to see some leverage trading coming in. So we'll see what happens. But yes, I mean, a drop is always possible. And, like I always say, guys, if we do see one, what do? We take advantage of it, right? That's what we do. We take advantage of the opportunity. Because we're not going to have very many left. Is right now a good time to buy mobile? I mean, it had a pretty big run up yesterday, but it's down today, isn't it? Yeah, it's down 3.9%. Yeah, I mean, it depends on where you think mobile is going to go, right? Really. Big Mike, man, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome to the family. Lord of the Realm. I wanted to see someone in the community print a 9-figure portfolio next bull run. Yes, that'd be epic. That would be epic. David, are we expecting Swift coin to surpass its all-time high during this bull season? Yes, of course. Of course we are. Actually, let's bring the Swift chart up. I forgot we were watching the Swift chart for the breakout. Elizabeth, we're in a bull market, but when do you plan on taking profits, Rob? Ask me, Elizabeth, you're over on the Patreon, so ask me over there, and I will tell you my exit plans. Hey, Rob, thoughts on XRP ETF filing from BlackRock? Bullish AF. But you have to remember, guys, look what happened with Ethereum's ETF application. It got approved, and Ethereum didn't really respond the same way that Bitcoin did. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Grayscale. Yeah, I knew what you meant. What profession sport did you play? Professional bodybuilder and retired professional wrestler, actually. Amazing coins for you. What's going on, man? Love it when profits make profits. Yes, exactly. Compound. Need a little spot of tea there. He's a professional wrestler. Yes. Swift's still going. Yes, it is. She's looking good. Fud Ninja. The biggest hater. Been a Patreon 1 week already, 2K up. Found Rob doing JASMY research. Officially my JASMY brother from another coin. There you go, man. There you go, my friend. Absolutely. We fam now. I've been on the road all day. It looks like I missed a lot of news today. Yeah, a lot of stuff's going on, man. He also started talking about Swift. Did he? Oh, that's right. You're right. He did. Yes. When it had a pump the other day, I forgot about that. Good call. Yes, you're absolutely right. Completely slipped my mind. Yeah, that's a red flag, guys. Any content creator that bounces around to 100 different projects, depending on what's trending and what's pumping, that's a red flag, guys. It means that they don't have any conviction in any of the plays that they're talking about. So how can you trust anything that they say when they're just doing what they're doing for clicks, right? You need to find consistent channels, whether it's mine or someone else's, right? Take Max's channel, for example. We won't talk about mine. Let's talk about Max's channel. Max is consistent. He talks about stuff like Quant, BSV, JASMY, Stronghold, right? He's consistent, and he does his research, and he breaks it down. You know that Max knows what he's talking about when he talks about stuff, right? When you get these content creators who just, like I said before, whatever altcoin is pumping, suddenly they're doing a video talking about it like they know everything about the project. That's a red flag. They know nothing about the project. They just read a couple pages of stuff. They don't even hold any of it. They're only talking about it to get you to click on their video. That's a red flag, guys, right? You're listening to someone talk about a project that doesn't know anything about it. He needs to go back to the choice. What we got here? I don't mind him overall. I see why he gets under people's skin, though. Saying, do me a favor, type 1. Yes, that gets irritating. Yeah. And that's not a shot at him. That's a shot at anyone who does that. Yeah. After every sentence, do me a favor, guys. Put in the chat if you don't like this. Or put in the chat, let's piss off the algorithm. That drives me crazy, man. Just hit 355 pounds on bench, 200 pounds with no arch. Nice. There you go, brother. Boom. 355. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome to the family. Videos or it didn't happen, though, man. Right? I kid, man. I kid, brother. Congratulations on that, man. Congratulations on that. Hard work pays off, man. One. Nice one, Jason. Yeah, Swift's looking good, man. Swift's looking good. And the second you say that, it drops it. Yes. Not sure what to do with my spell bag, man. I'm up and have rode this back down before. If it was me, man, listen, I have my reservations about spell. You know why? If you've been here for a while, I have nothing about the project do I have an issue with. It's the algorithmic stablecoin ban that's coming that I don't like when it comes to when it comes to Spell, because Spell's ecosystem is dependent on an algorithmic stablecoin. And if the Lummis bill passes and algorithmic stablecoins get banned in the United States, what do you think is going to happen to Spell token, right? Charmander, we in. What's up, man? Cool Cat in the house. He actually talking about XCN before it started trending. Swift next move will be to 5 cents. How are you? I already talked about Spell. Swift's on fire. Yes, Swift's. Look at that. It's fighting resistance again, guys. Can we break through? Well, let's go. Let's go. We're doing it live. We're doing it live, guys. I've been stacking the latest gem. I'm ready to kick back. Yes, me too, man. I think I'm officially done stacking that bag, and I'm excited about it, man. Jet and I were talking about it earlier today, actually, a couple hours ago. Just already being rich helps too. Yeah, that does help. Mike just subscribed. Nice, brother. Nice. My guy. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome to the family. Triple C. XCN dipping a bit. 3 cents 4 on Coinbase. Yeah, what's it sitting at? Yeah, 3 cents 4. Yeah, I mean, it's consolidating right now. Consolidating. Bullish. Like I said, XCN could fall down to 1 cent 5 or 1 cent 7. Sorry, guys, and would still be bullish, right? Put your PC in right. Thoughts on ACH token? I think that ACH has been running pretty hot lately, and it's probably not. If you don't already have an entry point on it, it's probably not a good time to be buying it. Dips are gifts. Yes, they are, man. Yes, they are. Alfredo, Rob, do you send friend requests in the Discord? Because I received one friend request from you. Alfredo, I'll say this, my friend. Guys, if you're over on the Discord, understand that there is absolutely no way, anytime, any way that you will have any kind of friend request or conversation with me one-on-one on the Discord, on the Discord, right? The only place that you can talk to me one-on-one is on the Patreon. So if you're getting friend requests or you're getting DMs from someone saying that they're me on the Discord, it's not me, guys. You're getting scammed, okay? The only place, and I cannot stress this enough, the only place you will be able to DM me and have a conversation with me one-on-one is over on the Patreon. That's it. XPR any good? Yeah, I think so. Toshi, I think Toshi's still a good entry point. I think you could see a $2 or $3 billion market cap on Toshi in the big picture. We're not crying about a dip. Buy or eat. Yes, exactly. That's what we do. I have ETH on base trying to trade it for Solana on Coinbase Wallet. How do you do that? I don't use Coinbase Wallet, brother. I'm in Canada. I got access to a whole bunch of exchanges. But what I will tell you again, it sounds like beating a dead horse, but a lot of our veterans over on the Patreon, that is like a hot button issue over there, is helping newbies and stuff like that how to work out Coinbase wallets, right? That's a hot topic over there. We've been doing a lot of helping over there with that kind of stuff. So yeah. Jasmy is died. Okay. What months do you think crypto will start to tank? I think if you're talking about the summertime, I think that you'll probably sometime around May and June, I think, are going to be pretty bad. That's what I say, sell in May, walk away, right? Because ETH sucks. There you go. Hey, Rob, I'm a Patreon member. When do you see Myriad going to 1 cent? Pretty soon, man. Pretty soon, I think. But the big run on gaming coins, I don't think gaming coins are really going to have their really big run until the fall, right? Gaming usually runs. One of the later bloomers is the gaming space. Ninja talked about XCN before they pumped. No, they didn't. No, he didn't. I've been covering XCN since March of last year. And I've been watching XCN content since March of last year. And the only one besides me and 2 other YouTubers who do 2-minute TA videos on XCN, the only other one that was talking about it was Caesar, right? So, no, he wasn't. Overcome. Andy Kaufman is the greatest wrestler of all time. Nice. We seeing a pump on XCN tomorrow? Probably not. No, I don't think so. But because I said that, probably yeah, right? Max does amazing research, and yes, absolutely. How do you find his channel? Maximus Crypto. That's what it's called, Maximus Crypto. H-bar dipping a bit, load up. I'll show you his channel on YouTube right now. Okay, so you can find it. You can know what it looks like. All right, this is Max's channel right here. Make sure you shoot him a sub. Fantastic researcher. HBR dipping a bit, load up. Yeah. Max is a solid researcher. Nothing but respect. Yeah. Maximus Crypto is Max's channel, 100%. It's the corny dual finger snaps for me. Economic, but to each their own. Ninja is a doom and gloom creator, but puts a secret spin. Yeah, not as bad as BitBoy, though. BitBoy likes to pretend that he's got a Mr. X guy in the White House that feeds him inside information. Like, okay, Mission Impossible, you know. Cool Cats, Cosmos, what's going on? Jackie, it's going to break. It's going to break. Yes. Did we break? I shifted away from it. Look at that. We're breaking, guys. Swift is breaking out. Let's keep it going. How does any crypto project break through resistance? It's got to chip away at the sell orders. You have resistance levels and you have support levels, okay? And what these levels consist of is a resistance level means that whenever you get to that price level, so I'll show you on the screen, okay? See this purple line here, this purple box at the top? So let's say that that's a resistance level, okay? What that really represents is a bunch of sell orders, right? So every time the price gets to that point and rejects, actually, you know what? I'll show you on the Bitcoin chart because we're literally at a sell wall right now, okay? So looking at the Bitcoin chart, look at what we have right here in this area. See how many times we've rejected off this area here at $106,200? So that's a sell wall, okay? So what that means is every time we hit it and we reject off of it and it's a wick, that means that a bunch of sell orders filled and pushed the price back down. So the more you hit that resistance level, the more you break down that sell wall, and eventually the buy orders will outnumber the sell orders and you break to the upside, essentially, right? So that's how you break through a resistance level. You have to chip away at the sell wall until the buy orders outnumber the sell orders, and then you can get buying pressure and momentum to the upside. And the same goes for support levels, okay? So if you have a support level here, that means that there's a bunch of buy orders there. And every time the price comes down and touches that level, buy orders fill, and it pushes the price to the upside, right? But you can break down a buy wall as well by continuing. The more you hit that support level, the weaker that buy wall gets, and eventually the sell orders will outnumber the buy orders and you will break to the downside, right? So that's how that works. Would it be smart to sell a portion of Swift at the moment to buy the fall? There's no guarantee that it will fall. You have to remember that, right? There are no guarantees. That's what I get. People who are newer to crypto and they're always asking me about if they should swing trade something, if it's a good idea. And guys, swing trading, a lot of times, you don't have experience in the market. A lot of times swing trading gets you burned. What's a good exchange for new coins and tokens before they hit the bigger exchanges? Coinbase Wallet is good for that. If you're in the States, Coinbase Wallet's pretty good. A lot of our Patreon members use Coinbase Wallet, and they're able to find pretty much all of our gems over there for the most part. So, yeah, I do like Coinbase Wallet. I personally don't use Coinbase Wallet because I'm in Canada. But Gamma Goddess, there she is. What's going on? Thank you for all your advice and guidance with crypto. You are right about all the picks. Just needed to listen. Let's get that money. Absolutely. Should I cancel my buy on Spell? Well, that's up to you, Mike. If it was me, I personally have no interest in holding a token with that much risk involved in it right now. New subscriber, love your content. Thank you so much, man. Welcome to the family, my friend. And now I want pizza because of your picture. Are we on Discord now? No, we're not. It's shocking at how many scams there are. Yes, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I feel like one of those crazy people in the casino slapping the screen instead of blowing up my phone. A lot of people talking of how XRP will flip Bitcoin. What do you think? I think it's clickbait. I know BitBoy did a video. I never watched it, but I saw the thumbnail pop up in my feed today. And he's trying to tell people that XRP is going to flip Bitcoin. Yeah, it's clickbait, guys. Right? He doesn't care if he wrecks you. He doesn't care. Hey, Rob, I made it onto the Patreon. Turned off the VPN. That did the trick. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Welcome aboard, brother. Welcome aboard, man. Thanks, brother. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. Thoughts on AMP token? I think I'm neutral on AMP. I think AMP will do okay. I think AMP really had a phenomenal run last bull run. This time around, I'm neutral. I mean, I think it'll do okay. I just think that there's better, smaller cap projects out there that will probably do better. But AMP is a decent. If you got into AMP closer to the bottom, like a year ago or so, then it's a great hold. I think it'll do great. He called, who did, Jackie? Me? This guy? Who has two thumbs and called the XCN before anybody else? This guy. Ninja's not someone I would take advice from. Yeah. Swift about to break out of the high for today. Yes. It keeps getting those we keep meeting selling pressure, but people taking profits. But listen, if we can continue to do this tonight and chip away at that selling pressure, we may be able to break through tonight, guys. So I found you because Cesar and joined the Patreon. Nice. Hey, you tell Cesar I said thank you so much. He's a phenomenal guy. He really is. I like his stuff. And listen, I'm going to be sending him a message. We're going to do a collaboration here. We're going to do a live stream together here soon. So keep an eye out for that as well. ACH is ready to pop. Nice. Nice. We need a hash coin. Blessed out Swift. Let's go. Is everybody hold finally breaking out? I'm not too sure, brother. I'm not too sure. I know it was. It's still looking like that Head and Shoulders. I looked at it earlier today, and it was looking like a Head and Shoulders still, man. It's still in a Head and Shoulders structure. It's had a phenomenal run. Excuse me, a phenomenal run. But it is still in a Head and Shoulders pattern. It needs to break above. For me, it needs to break above. If you want to know what would invalidate the Head and Shoulders pattern, probably needs to break above 3048. If it can break above that and keep going, that would invalidate the Head and Shoulders pattern. How high do you think Swift will go? I could see Swift hitting 30 to 40 cents, honestly. I just sold $50 of Swift in case it drops. Nice. Jasmy's a top gainer last 24 hours on Coinbase. There you go. That's right. Yeah, I covered that earlier today. Yes. Jordan, Rob, that's because it was not public. Economic Ninja released privacy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I was talking about stuff, too, that just nobody just knew about it, right? So totally. I was totally talking about it and no one knew about it. Biggest exaggerator thinks he knows everything. Yeah, true enough. A knowledge bomb for newbies right here. Big thank you, Mr. Rob. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. BitBoy looks strung out again. I know. I've been seeing his in the news feeds there, and it's just like, man, guy looks completely junked out. Yeah, I think it is. I just canceled the buy order. Nice. AMP is the settlement token for the Flexa network. Will be massive if the Flexa network gets adopted. Yep, I agree. If its use case gets adopted, then absolutely, right? A big if. Yeah, a big if. That's the thing. Everything here is a big if, right? Jesus wants us to be wealthy. So busy, it's hard to catch you live on the Patreon. Yeah, well, that's why whenever we go live on the Patreon, we record them and then we post the recordings of the live so that if you missed it, you can at the very least you can catch the replay, right? So, and you can see what questions were asked. You can see, you can get the help that you need still, right? Because most of the time, the question that you were wanting to ask got asked by somebody else, right? So, do me a favor, type 1 down below if I'm too sexy for this shirt. For crypto, not to state. Yes, exactly. I wish I owned Swift because. Thanks, Rob. Hey, no problem, man. No problem, buddy. Swift coin. Brand new to crypto. Now I found this channel and Caesar today. I feel like I wasted 2 weeks. Right path now. Yes, you're pointed in the right direction here in Ireland. Nice. Ireland in the house. Stoned Raccoon. My brother, thanks for all your research. It's greatly appreciated. What's your thoughts on Pepe coin? I think Pepe has already had its run. I think it might have a little bit of a run down the road, but I mean, I think the bulk of the move for Pepe is already past, right? It's kind of, the community's kind of moved on to other projects, I think, right? DB Cooper, what's up, brother? Would you mind checking on VeChain for me? VeChain, a little bit of vet. What do you want to know about VeChain? VeChain's a decent project. I mean, I think it'll do okay. VeChain looks like it's in a giant bull flag, man. Honestly. Hang on a second. Wait a tick. Yeah, VeChain looks like it's in a giant bull flag here, man. You get a breakout on this bad boy, I mean, you're probably looking at something along the lines of you could get this up to about 9 cents, honestly, man. When will you take profits from XCN? I'm not doing anything on XCN until after we know what's going on with a Binance listing and with the burn vote, the vote for the burn mechanism. And I want to read the white paper first, right? We got a white paper coming out in a couple of days on Monday, I think. So once we know that stuff, then I'll make a decision on when I'm going to sell some of my XCN. Yes, I did, Beebs. I was actually going to mention that to you a few days ago, but I completely forgot. Yes. What time is the Patreon meeting tonight? About a half hour after this stream ends. I usually, if you go into the group chat for the group live video calls, there's a bunch of chats there, and that's one of them. I usually announce in there that we're going live about 20 minutes before we do, so that you have a chance to get in. So. Hey, Rob, an overpopulated crypto community. What do you think about Turbo? Turbo is great. I like Turbo. I bought $100 worth of Pangu. Will it have a rug, or am I screwed with another one like Spell? I don't know much about Pangu, so I couldn't tell you, man. Dude must have predicted every top mover then. Just some TA. Yeah, there you go. I got you covered. Jasmy confirms inverse head and shoulders. 70. Yeah, there you go. It's doing its breakout right now. It's looking good. J Bond, told you, Rob, break out that magic. Jasmy 3 cents, 34 cents. What do you think about the pre-sale of Wall Street Pepe? I don't know anything about it, if I'm being honest with you, man. I don't know anything about that. Thanks, brother. Got 650K of it. Wondering what I should do. Seems like the move will still... Yeah, VeChain will still do okay. I mean, there's better plays, but, I mean, you know, it's an IoT play, right? So, Jasmy to $1.34. Holy smokes. That would be phenomenal, man. That would be phenomenal. All right, guys. We're all caught up in the chat. So, listen, I'm going to get ready to go live over on the Patreon. We will be live over there in about 20 to 30 minutes, guys. I will announce when we're going live over there. So make sure you get over there, guys. We got 3 gems over there right now that are going to run just like XCN, guys, in the future. We're accumulating en masse right now, so check it out, guys. The link is down below. We will be live over there, like I said, and you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So get over there, guys. We will be live again, 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you guys there. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later.